How to tie a tie, Oriental, simple, knot. The Oriental simple knot is a minimalist, small knot that works best with narrow-collared shirts and thicker ties. Why choose the simple knot? Easiest and quickest knot to learn. Great for narrow collars and casual looks, minimal bulk. Perfect for shorter ties or taller wearers. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to tie the simple knot, also known as the Oriental knot, one of the easiest and quickest tie knots. Step 1. Facing a mirror, drape the tie around your neck with the seams facing outward, inside out. The wide end should be on your right, hanging about 8 to 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Step 2. Take the wide end and cross it under the narrow end, forming an X beneath your chin. Step 3. Bring the wide end over the front of the narrow end, moving from left to right. Step 4. Take the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Step 5. Guide the wide end down through the loop you just created in the front. Step 6. Hold the narrow end while sliding the knot up toward your collar. Adjust the knot to ensure it is snug and symmetrical. Let's elevate your style the easy way. Like this video if you love a no-fuss look. Subscribe for more tie tutorials and style tips. Comment below, what tie knot do you want to master next? Simple, smart, and sharp. Style made easy with the Oriental knot.